Hello, my name is Prashant Chandrasekhar. I'm Vice President and General Manager of our Managed Public Clouds business at Rackspace. I'm here with James Staten, Vice President and Principal Analyst of CIO Research at Forrester. Using higher value services is really the phase going beyond just basic usage of storage, networking, and compute, as you're referring to, is definitely a shift that we've seen. Companies want to leverage PaaS services on Azure, or like you said, Amazon Poly on the AWS portfolio, or BigQuery on the Google platform, and so on. And so these are really, really powerful capabilities that people are able to take and leverage very, very, very seamlessly and in a very kind of highly efficient way to generate the most out of the data that they have in their companies, to really transform their customer experience, really create an end-to-end digital experience where they're capturing tons of input and actually making sense of it through intelligence.
They are finding that in order to deliver new capabilities, they have to reflect what their customers are doing now, mobile first, wanting to use an intelligent agent to verbalize their request, needing to be wherever their customers are with incredibly low latency. And they realize that the cloud gives them a lot of the baseline capabilities they need to deliver this value. And they also realize that different clouds, like you pointed out, have different services and different values. And so they need partners who really understand the strengths and weaknesses, the geographic reach, as well as the values that they can achieve from the various clouds that are out there, so that they can have a successful multi-cloud and a successful hybrid implementation for their digital transformation.
Yeah, absolutely, James. I think the other, you reminded me of, the fascinating use cases that we come across. Recently we are actually talking to a company right now that really wants, absolutely real-time kind of response for situations where they're in, oil fields in Africa, and if somebody is actually in physical danger, and somebody actually does have an issue and has an incident, they want to be able to use a mobile-first experience in the middle of Africa to really bring in, for example, a helicopter with kind of medical assistance and so on, and all of that is running on the cloud. And so literally, latency and the fact that they can't have any downtime period is a life and death sort of situation in that scenario. So it's just really. It's also, really, I would say, not only fascinating, but also really puts things into perspective about what all this is about. This is a phenomenal mission that we're enabling for the world. And yes, Rackspace, very pleased to be part and to help and do our part to enable our end customers to be successful on all the great missions that they're part of.